And now then, I thought I'd pop on. I've been on a rewire for the last 3 days, and I just want to give you all an update because I know you're all dying to know what we've sort of got up to. Rewires, I usually allow about 2 weeks for them. So they do take some doing. It is hard work, but I will show you around and show you what we've got up to. Now this house is actually, there's nothing in it. Customers been busy stripping wallpaper, as you're going to see in a minute. We have managed to wire upstairs lights, wire downstairs, upstairs sockets, and tomorrow I've just been prepping today. I've done the sockets today, but I'm also prepping today for downstairs lighting, so that tomorrow we'll just get a good hit and get it all wired. I'm going to come over here. I'm hoping you can see me on this video. Get it all wired. So I will show you around. I'm going to turn brightness of this camera, this light up, and yeah, have a little look, and I'll show you what it is we sort of get up to. So I'll show you these first. So this is your typical socket. We've used thinner back boxes on this one just because the walls are very thin breeze block. I think they're about 50mm, these ones. So they're your internal walls. On the outer walls we've just been doing 35s just so it can future proof it a little bit. To be fair, as long as you're not going to go flat plate, USB sockets will be okay on them. And then we are outdoor sockets. You've got to be careful because floorboards are still up. I'll put them down when I've done the wiring for downstairs, but this is all prepped now, ready to go. We've got a light, that's a one cable. But there you go, I've moved the lights. So the lights have been moved from the window to the centre. Now this was for privacy, basically. Let's see, I'm really show it in a bad way. So you get shadowing up windows, and I think when people were getting up, when people were getting undressed back in the day, they didn't want people seeing, you know, getting undressed in front of the curtain. It's just a bit shadowy, but anyways, I digress. Nobody cares anymore. So anyways, we'll move on. There we go, we've got light switches, conduits again. Be careful, place is a death trap. We've got boards up everywhere. And same again, you know, move the lights. Give it all. We're really careful going over here. I won't stay too long in here. And there's my gate. This ready for us downstairs. Supply. This was going in, but we changed it. We've got spotlights. Got an extract fan to go in an existing hole. That's just dangling. When I've got everything powered up, then I'm just going to do a full strip out, just remove everything at the moment, because without like turning everything off, I don't know what's safe and what isn't. So trying to keep everything on and then not touch anything, and then when at least then I can do all my rewire and get it switched over, and then and just completely turn it all off. So yeah, we've been doing spots in here. Spotlights ready to go. I've done this light as well today. What a pain. Joist across on a flat roof. But there you go. Probably would have expected that anyway. And then we've got fuse board. This is the old fuse board on a rewire. We're going to be putting in a brand new one in, of course. So when the customers remove this cupboard, I'm going to be putting some conduits in the walls, probably a spare one just to future proof it a little bit. Put conduits in walls, wire his new circuits down. These are all old stuff. Get a nice new Hager board in there, metal with RCBOs and stuff. So at the moment this kitchen's staying just because of the budget. So they're gonna make do with this kitchen. They're doing the bathroom, they're doing everything else, and then this kitchen I presume will be some point in New Year. So the existing circuit needs to be safe. So I'm going to give that a quick test. If there's any problems with it, they do need fixing. Unfortunately, I might spend a little bit of money on it, but that is what it is. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I've got another week on this easily. I usually only try and do 4 days a week. Try and do 4 days a week purely because it gives me a bit of time to do my little jobs on a Friday, so I've still got some availability. 'Cause it's all right doing these big jobs, but if I can't do little jobs in between, it's a bit of a pain. It's not ideal for customers even. I don't like turning them away. So yeah, that's where we're at. Big day tomorrow. Get this downstairs lighting wired. Hopefully all wired. Bit of second fixing maybe. Try and get boards back down. And it's a good push for next week then with board and downstairs sockets and stuff like that. We are getting there. We've got bonding to do and stuff. So yeah, there we are. I will do some more updates, I think, over the next couple of days, and yeah, I'll just let you know how it goes. So cheers for watching. I'll see you in a bit.